glad you're awake. I was wondering if I could, sleep next to you for a little bit. I kind of had a nightmare and I just... Do you really need to be with someone right now? And I'm much more comfortable in your bed than in mine. Why? Well, yeah, it's not like I, saw anything. Don't go in there though, okay? 'Cause there's kind of a monster. Oh, don't make me say it again. There's a monster. Come on, just let me sleep in your bed and we'll forget this whole thing ever happened tomorrow, okay? What? You really wanna know? Oh, okay, but I warned you. You see, it's... It's the monster under my bed, okay? It's real. I promise it's real. I hear it all the time. Scratching under my bed. Growling. This time, I saw it. I was finally brave enough to look under my bed. And I saw 2 glowing eyes looking up at me. And with what little light there was in my room, it reflected super sharp teeth. So that's why I can't sleep in there right now, okay? So come on, please let me sleep in your bed. What? You wanna go check? Are you crazy? You step in there right now, that monster's good. I don't want to say what it's gonna do. You're not scared. Fine, but you have to go first, okay? Okay. Well, go on. I'll be behind you, I guess. I don't even know why you want to look at it. Or even go near it. It's too scary. I guess you're just really brave, huh? Oh, but you've always been brave. I mean, well, you always take chances. Like when you went on that big roller coaster. That was so cool. I had to brag to all my friends about you. And when you fell down during the talent show, you kind of hurt your knee a little bit, but you got right back up. Someday, I want to be just like you. So brave and... wait, before you open my door. Just let me get ready, okay? Because it's so scary. Do you really want to go in there? Okay. Open it. It's not there? What do you mean? Did you look under my bed yet? I promise it's there. I'm not lying. Do you see the eyes? You do. Aren't they scary? Don't go any closer or it might attack you. Oh, it's a friend? Oh, come on, don't mess with me. You're serious? But I don't make friends with monsters. Huh? It's doing what? You so I don't think monsters pull away. Oh, what are you doing? Don't stick your hand under the bed. I don't want to walk. Okay. I'm gonna open my eyes. 1, 2, 3. What? Really? Whiskers? He was under my bed? Was Whiskers the monster? I can't believe I was scared by Mr. Whiskers. I'm so embarrassed. I'm sorry I bothered you for Mr. Whiskers. But, can I still sleep in your bed tonight? I'm really tired from all this crazy and I just really wanna snuggle with you. Is that okay? It is? I'm so happy. Okay. That is enough trouble from you, Mr. Whiskers. You can stay here for now, but you can't follow us back to the other room. Okay. Let's go back to sleep. Thank you for helping me. I would have been so scared for the rest of the week, maybe even longer. I'm so glad I have a big sibling like you around. Makes everything so much better. Can I get this side of the bed? Yes. Okay.